Now next method of valuation of goodwill. Next method for the valuation of goodwill is super profit method. Super profit method. Under super profit method, goodwill is calculated by this way. Goodwill is equal to number of years purchase into super profit. Number of years purchase into super profit. What is super profit? What is super profit? Super profit means when the actual profit or actual average profit exceed the normal profit, then that extra profit is called super profit. When actual profit exceed the normal profit, then that extra profit is called super profit. Actual profit what the firm has earned. It may be actual average profit or actual profit of 1 year, or it may be actual average profit of maybe 3 to 5 years as per the information given in the question. Now what is normal profit? Normal profit means capital employed into normal rate of return divided by normal rate of return divided by 100. Normal rate of return divided by 100. Capital employed into normal rate of return to that particular industry. It may be 20%, 12%, 15% or 18%. If it is suppose 18%, so 18 upon 100. If it is 15%, then 15 upon 100. Normal rate of return, suppose it is 20%, then 20 upon 100. Now what is capital employed? Capital employed is equal to total assets minus fictitious assets. Fictitious assets minus fictitious assets minus external liabilities. So from total assets we will deduct the fictitious assets and we also deduct the external liability. We will get the capital employed. Another way to calculate the capital employed is capital employed is equal to capital plus free reserve plus profit and loss credit balance minus fictitious assets. So super profit means when the actual profit exceed the normal profit, it is called super profit. And when the super profit is multiplied to the number of years purchase, it may be 5 years, 3 years, 4 years, 2.5 years, into super profit, then we'll get the amount of goodwill. What is normal profit? Capital employed in the business into normal rate of return upon 100. What is capital employed? Total assets minus fictitious assets minus external liability. This can also be calculated like this. Capital employed is equal to capital of the partner or capital of the business, plus free reserve and surplus, plus profit and loss credit balance, minus fictitious assets. And if there is a loss in the business, profit and loss have a debit balance, that also be deducted. Now see one question. The capital employed in a firm on 31st March 2019 was 5 lakhs. Capital employed was 5 lakhs. 2015, the firm had earned profit during the last 5 years as 2015 60,000, 2016 80, 2017 there is a loss, 2018 there is another profit, 2019 profit. The rate of return is 8% on capital employed. Rate of return is 8% on capital employed. Compute the goodwill on the basis of 2.5 years purchase of average super profit. 2.5 years purchase of average super profit. 2.5 years purchase of average super profit. So here goodwill is equal to 2.5 years purchase. 2.5 years purchase into average super profit. Super profit is equal to actual profit. So actual average profit will calculate the actual average profit. Profit of 2015, it is 60,000. 2016, 2017, 2018 and 2019. 5 years profit has given. So 60, 80. In 2017 there is a loss, so we'll deduct it later on. 18, 70,000 and 19 the profit is 1 lakh. So total of 4 years profit is 3,10,000 less 2017 loss. This will be deducted and loss is 20,000 is the loss. So 2,90,000 is the total profit divided by 5 because it's a 5-year profit. So average profit is 58,000 is the average profit. So actual average profit of last 5 years is 58,000 minus, now come to the normal profit. Normal profit is equal to capital employed. Capital employed in the business is 5 lakhs. As on 31st December 2019, capital employed is 5 lakhs into normal rate of return is 8%, 8 by 100. So it is 40,000. So normal profit is 40. So super profit is 18,000 is the super profit. 18,000 is the super profit. So 2.5 years means 5 by 2 into 18,000. So goodwill is equal to 45,000 is the goodwill. Goodwill is 45,000. Is it clear? Goodwill is 45,000. In the question, 2.5 years purchase has given into super profit. Now we have calculated the super profit, actual profit minus normal profit, actual average profit of last 5 years. Actual average profit of last 5 years. So total profit of last 5 years is this much divided by number of years 5. So it is average is 58 minus 40,000 is the normal profit, capital employed into normal rate of return. So super profit is 18,000. Now you multiply 2.5 means 5 by 2 into 18, 45,000 is your goodwill. Is it clear? 45,000 is your goodwill.